3, error analysis. A student in your class states that the volume of this composite figure is 480 cubic feet. Explain in the students that explain to the student that the error that he had made.
Miss,
Now,
which page is this?
this is slide 3. Now, when you have to find the error, best thing is that you do the question on your own first. When you do the question, then compare the answer with the one which is not done correctly. So what we can see in this shape is two rectangular prisms. One is in vertical form, the other one is in the horizontal form. Now let's see where the lengths are given and how can we start this one. We can see that the one which is horizontal, it has the height of 4, the length of 8 feet, and the width is 8 feet and the length is 4 feet. So let's find the volume of this rectangular prism. First, volume is length times width times height. The longer side, that's 4. Okay, that's 4. The width is 8 and the height is also 4. Now it's up to you which one you want to multiply first. If you want to multiply 4 times 8, fine. 4 times 8 is 32 and then 32 times 4. So now we need to do the long multiplication using the column method, or you can do mentally also. 4 times 2 is 8 and 4 times 3 is 12. So what do we get as the volume V1? It's 128 cubic feet. Now let's have a look on the second rectangular prism.
Amna Sakri Market.
Okay, the second one is we can see the height is 10 feet and the width is 2 feet, but we don't have this length given, right? Can we find this length by using some of the measurements given this side? If we focus, we can see these are the steps of the stairs. This length is same as this length and it's also same as this length. Is it or not? Yes, is it same or different? Just like you are climbing the stairs, the longer side is same throughout the staircase. So if this is 8 feet, means this side is also 8 feet. So we found the missing length. Now we have all three lengths given, the dimensions for the longer rectangular prism. Let's find the volume. So V2 is, again, write the formula, length times width times height. Length is 10, the width is 2, and the height, the okay, I shuffled them, but it doesn't matter because finally we'll multiply and the answer will be same. Okay, whenever you have to multiply by 10, just multiply the other two numbers together first. That's 16, and 16 times 10 is super easy. Just add the 0 with the 16. It will become 160 feet square. Now, to find the total volume, we should add them, both our answers, V1 and V2. So let's do it. Okay. So total volume will be V1 plus V2. V1 was 128 and V2 is 160. Let's add them. It will become 8, 8 and 2. And don't forget to write the units. These are the cubic units. By mistake, I wrote the square, but these are the cubic units. So now let's see what mistake that student have done. What was the answer which he got? He got the answer as 480. So there's a big difference. Might be he added the lengths, the 4 plus 2 8, and then he multiplied by 10 and 8. Yes, he did the same thing. So that's how you can see like the correct answer is this one, and the student had not figured out the correct dimensions for the question.